With fall upon us, it's time to start thinking about fall gardening. Even though many think spring is the time to garden, there are many plants that prefer the cooler weather of fall. For example, there are many vegetables that are considered cool weather vegetables, such as lettuce, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, Swiss chard, kale, and beets. The best time to plant them is in August or September to ensure they mature before the first frost. If you start early enough, you can grow from seed like we do in our garden, or you can pick up a vegetable seedling here at Strange's. We're known for having the largest selection of vegetable transplant 4-packs in the area. There are many other plants that enjoy fall weather, such as mums, pansies, encore azaleas, heuchera, and many more. Bulbs should also be planted in the fall so that they may strengthen their root system over winter and grow to mature plants come spring. Once your soil temperature reaches around 55 degrees, it's time to plant your bulbs. This would include onions, garlic, tulips, daffodils, irises, hyacinth, crocuses, and more. Whatever your preference, there are plenty of ways to start gardening for fall. At Strange's, fall is for planting, so don't miss your chance.